Hey guys, Nikki from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're in our showroom. We have a pulley off of the Mustang. I also wanted to bring your attention to the Micro Vapor Hone. This cabinet is 17 inches wide by 13 inches deep by 13 inches high from the floor to the tallest part of the Micro. It is only pneumatic. That means it only runs on air. It uses about 2 gallons of water and about 5 pounds of abrasive, and as you can see, it is a top load system. I want to show you how much space in comparison that this Micro has. Kind of give you some scale as to what parts like carburetors, different things like that can fit inside this cabinet. So it's perfect for smaller parts, it's perfect for an entry-level machine, just getting started. And with our lifetime warranty and our upgrade option without depreciation, this is a perfect place to start. One other thing I wanted to add about the Micro Vapor Hone is that it is fully pneumatic, therefore it does not have electricity. However, one of our customers showed us a really cool thing. It gets kind of difficult when the abrasive backsplashes onto the glass. It gets kind of hard to see. He showed us that by using your phone on top of the cabinet, you can actually look through while you're blasting and you get a better result. So if there's trouble seeing inside, you can always use the camera on your phone to get a better view. Please give us a call if you have any questions. My number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.